Alright, I'm sorry, dog. Anything to be TikTok famous. 1, 2.
Noah, you throw that dog in the pool and you're going back to live with your mother.
Lucky bastard.
I just can't imagine how you could snap.
Yo, 24. Right hand for ass, left hand for tits.
Do it.
Come on.
Do it.
Come on. Yeah.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
In my world, everyone's a pony, and they all eat rainbows and poop butterflies.
That's beautiful, Katie.
Go back to sleep.
Oh, hell no.
I don't want to go to school tomorrow. I can study thinking about it.
All right, your total is $9.
Great. I'll pay for my order with my American Express Platinum card. Oh, sorry, did you not hear me? I said I would be paying with my American Express Platinum card.
I heard you the first time, just not sure why you felt the need to yell it.
Oh, was I yelling? I didn't notice.
Okay, whatever. You can pay now.
Is this machine set to accept American Express Platinum?
Sure.
Are you sure? Because a lot of machines don't recognize American Express Platinum cards, such as mine, because they're considered luxury cards.
Your entire purchase is less than $10.
Well, that doesn't stop me from using my American Express Platinum card, does it?
No.
Great. So I can just tap my American Express Platinum card?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, but your card declined?
What?
I said your American Express Platinum card declined?
Keep your voice down.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just wanted to make sure that you knew that your American Express Platinum card declined on a $10 purchase.
You're fucking paranoid, You are fucking. You bloody. You bloody. Bastard bitch. Fuck you. Bloody fuck you, bloody. Fucking mother, bloody fuck bitch. Bitch, you. Bloody fuck you. You're.
Go down.
Elena, but take it off.
Oh, what?
What are you doing, Daddy? What are you doing, Daddy?
How you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like, dear.
Yeah, he love this fat ass. Yeah, this one is for my bitches with a fat ass in the fucking club. I said, with my fat ass pig.
How much is this, bro?
Oh, the price is on it, buddy. $2.
It's $2, dummy.
Good morning. I just wanted to say that.
Delete the I will do it tomorrow attitude. I'ma delete it tomorrow.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
I'm on my big bullshit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Who hit the plug? Ride around with fire. Call.
Yeah, okay, great. Nice one. Anything that makes them happy.
Break out, break out, break out, break out, ding 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 dong 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 dong.
On the ground. It's really good. You fast, bro, but you ain't fast enough. I'm a feminist. That's what you know. You ain't get me. I got you. We're done. Oh, it's tiring. I'm hot. Don't taste me. That shit just stings. My safe word is pineapple juice. Get that?
Hey, just like that. Cross your ankles.
Ooh.
Cross your ankles.
We gonna take pictures?
Bring your ankles up to your butt.
Swap man, what's my safe word?
Bring your ankles up to your butt.
That's how far I go. You think I'm in Pilates?
Stay just like that.
No, they didn't need to taser him. They only tasted him because they couldn't catch him. He made them catch him.
Ooh, oh, that's cute. Oh, watch your hands, boy. That's my. Don't do that. That's my lighter. It don't work. Don't do drugs, kids. Those are my quarters. You wanna put those in your pocket? That is change. You know how long it took me to acquire those? Some of those are limited edition. Well, that's my flash drive. Don't look at it unless you want to see Big D. That's my wallet. You have no. Ooh. And watch your fingers, booty hole man. He's strong. Ooh. No wonder y'all together. You like doing the weird shit? What's your say?
Oh, you want to get fucked up. You want to get...
Coco Martin!
Bitch, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me.
Oh, you know you love me. I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Don't quit playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? Said there's another.
I just got this fan on Amazon, and apparently, like, it was, like, really fast, like, wind, so let's just test it out.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas. No.
Actor. Why isn't it okay for Black Panther to be played by a white one?
What the fuck would that even look like? Ohio forever!
Look at this comment I saw in that video. From T'Challa to Tanner.
Edward, you need to turn me into a vampire. I've been having nightmares, Edward. Nightmares that this coochie is gonna get wrinkly and I'm going to get old and die and you're gonna stay handsome and beautiful and it's not fair. Bella, no! I don't wish this upon you. You're so beautiful and warm, so warm. And this is a curse. It is a curse to be super fast and live forever and to sparkle in the sunlight and be super strong. Plus, I don't mind you old and wrinkly and dusty. You're just selfish. Edward, if you do not turn Bella into a vampire, we will feast upon her and kill you. Yes, 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 yes. Ah! Edward, that's what the council said. Inject your juices in me.